Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to upload a file into our IB folder on OneDrive that we can share resources, and we are preparing for our IB visitation visit for May 16th and 17th. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the shared folder that I sent to you. And under here, you will see this is teacher observations. So the video that you decide to make to record, this is where you will upload that. So say, for example, you're going to upload a video. So then I would click that, and then I would go to upload, and then files. And I'm just going to pick out something that I'm going to add in here. This is not a video that I have, but if I'm going to add I see, I think, I wonder, and then I'm going to open that. And then you can see that that is in here. If you would happen to add something that you do not want, then you would click over here, and then you could delete that. So if I go back to IB files, then I can see here where I have uploaded other resources. For example, our brochures that you had created, the IB policies that we need to go over, and then each one of these, like the 5th grade artifacts, 4th grade artifacts, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, kindergarten. This would be where you put any of your resources or pictures that you might want us to highlight for the visitation. So the teacher observation video, this is where whatever you want to decide to showcase for our virtual visit, you would go through, upload that, and this is where you'd want to put that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.